Welcome. In this video, we're going to look at how we can evaluate limits using graphs and tables. So here we have the graph of f of x equals x squared minus 4 divided by x minus 2. And if you notice, there's a removable discontinuity here at x equals 2, and that's due to this denominator here. So that is, our function f is not defined when x equals 2. This question is asking us to find, well, what value does this function approach? So what's the y value as we get really close to 2, but we don't actually touch 2? What we can see is x approaches 2, and that's from either direction, so either coming from the left or from the right. The y value of this function, and I'm going to draw this dotted line here to make it easy to see what the y value is approaching. Well, the y value is approaching this value here, which is 4. So that tells me f, or the limit that is of f as x approaches 2, is equal to 4. Notice that we can have a limit with a value even when our function is not defined. I hope this video was helpful.